Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sansnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone So Po Shillong. Wan ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Ka high level committee shen kan sa shong no yak jingyalang letse la kumno hakatayo bansawan nagabanta ban yathir bat ban yatai halor ka kaipot halor ka jingdawa ban penken ria no yaki harijan kibasa hathem yo maulong haswa ban IT no shaka sarkar jilla usambut menteri rangba jong jalla ba preston tensong habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV ulaya tho bagi paj ba bat ki kenhon paper kim dei satia ban ki khuslai halor kani ga issue namar ba ka sarkar jalla ro kam shim la shong klikti halor kani ka kam ban nakaliang jong ka high level committee kala ang not ban pendep kham kloi kat bala.
We are working hard, and I will not tell you all the details, but let me just tell you one thing. I would request the NGOs, respective NGOs, bear with us. We are not just sitting idle here. We wanted to finish it at the earliest possible, and now the report is being prepared. Then the HLC will sit down very soon. We will sit down very soon, and ultimately, once that is done, we will also submit the report to the government. Now, whether we'll be able to submit within this year or early next year, I can't say right now because we need to, again, I need to convene the meeting, and this meeting may be held sometimes maybe next week. Very soon, signing of an agreement will take place, because even signing of agreement, let me just tell you, it is not merely between this aim of Mulim and the government. You need to understand here we have also the District Council. From SAM, it has to go to the District Council. Then this council has to, KHDC has to also vet, and then ultimately final signing will take place.